Stop avoiding until. How to use the word until with confidence. American English in Minutes, video number 8. Not so sure about until? Many intermediate level speakers of English avoid using the word until because they don't feel confident about how to use it. Are you unsure about how to use until? If so, let's practice with some examples. We use until in 3 ways. I'm going to watch this video until the end. Don't make a decision until you know all the facts. I was worried sick about you until you called. Worried sick means really worried, afraid something bad had happened. 1. Something continues up to a point and then changes. I work until 5. Then I can stop working and go home. Most people eat until they feel full. Then they stop eating. My cousin is in town until Sunday. Then she will leave. Please wait here until I come back. Then you can stop waiting here. The dinner party lasted until 1 in the morning. Then it ended. 2. Something does not happen before another thing happens first. I won't have any money until I get my paycheck. After I get the paycheck, I will have money. She isn't going to work full-time until she graduates from college. After she graduates, she will work full-time. I had never known anyone from Brazil until I met you. I met you, so now I do know someone from Brazil. My brother can't go anywhere until he gets his car repaired. After the car is repaired, he can go places. 3. One thing was true, but it's not true now. I had trouble in my math class until I got a tutor. I no longer have trouble in my math class. My sister was scared of dogs until our family adopted one. She lost her fear of dogs. I had a lot of free time until I got this job. I don't have free time anymore. John lived with his parents until he was 18. Then he moved out. Sometimes you will hear or see till or till. Notice that till is until with the un missing. Some people use their phones from morning till night. I watched this video till the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Please check out the other videos on my channel, American English in Minutes.